When you search for the best spark plugs for your Chevy Tahoe, everything looks pretty much the same. Same claims, same shiny photos. But to understand what actually delivers performance and reliability, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, JDM-SPED High Performance Spark Plug Wires. First up, we have the JDM-SPED High Performance Spark Plug Ignition Wire. Priced at $31.99, this product instantly caught my eye with its impressive 4.6-star rating from over 4,300 reviews. If you want reliable ignition performance for your Chevy Tahoe, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this matters. This is crucial for ensuring that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. The ultra-low resistance Kevlar core is engineered to handle high temperatures, which is a common concern for Tahoe owners, especially during those summer road trips. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty which gives you peace of mind. It's been bought over 1,000 times in the past month, so people are clearly loving it. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky, especially if you're not a DIY person. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and maybe watch a quick tutorial, it's totally manageable. Plus, the performance boost you get makes the effort worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you're looking for top-notch performance and don't mind getting your hands a bit dirty. Skip this one if you prefer a plug-and-play solution without any fuss. For the price, you're getting great value for solid performance. Product number 2, A Premium High Heat Spark Plug Ignition Wires. Next up, we have the A Premium High Heat Spark Plug Ignition Wires, which come in at a lower price of $26.99. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,200 reviews, it's another bestseller for a reason. If you're looking for ignition wires that stand up to heat without breaking the bank, this one's a solid option. What's great about the A Premium wires is their compatibility with a wide range of Chevy and GMC models, including your Tahoe. They feature female connectors and are designed to fit snugly, reducing the risk of misfires. The high-quality silicone insulation protects against heat, ensuring longevity, especially in extreme conditions. Customers have noted improvements in engine performance and fuel efficiency, which is always a win. Here's the thing though, as long as you check your vehicle's specific needs, you should be just fine. If you happen to find a length issue, customer service is pretty responsive. This is perfect for you if you want reliability and solid performance without spending too much. Skip this one if you need ultra-customized lengths, as it might not fit every unique setup perfectly. For under $30, it's a great option for anyone looking to upgrade their Tahoe. Product number 3, NGK G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs. Now let's talk about the NGK G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs, priced at $34.05. With a stellar 4.6-star rating from 4,700 reviews, this product really delivers on quality. If you want to reduce carbon buildup and enhance performance, this is worth considering. These platinum plugs are designed to operate over a wide heat range, meaning they work effectively in both hot and cold weather, which is perfect for Tahoe owners who face varying climates. The patented triple gasket sealing process prevents gas leaks, giving you peace of mind that your engine is performing at its best. Plus, they resist pre-ignition, which can be a real headache. However, some users mentioned that they found these plugs to be a bit more expensive than others. Here's the deal. While they may cost a bit more upfront, the durability and longevity often mean fewer replacements down the line, saving you money in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're looking for plugs that offer long-lasting performance. Skip this one if you're on a super tight budget and need something more basic for short-term use. Well, for the quality, it's a smart investment. Product number 4, ACDelco Spark Plug Wire Set and Iridium Spark Plugs. Moving on, we have the ACDelco Spark Plug Wire Set with Iridium Spark Plugs, priced at $37.95. This combo has a 4.5-star rating from 159 reviews, and it's a solid choice if you're looking to upgrade both the wires and plugs together. If you want a complete ignition system boost, this is definitely worth a look. The Iridium Spark Plugs provide a more efficient burn, which translates to better fuel economy and smoother acceleration. The wires are designed to fit a variety of Chevy models and come with the OEM numbers you'll need for compatibility. What's nice is the pre-gapped plugs, ensuring you get the optimum performance right out of the box. Now, some customers have noted that the installation instructions can be a bit vague. Here's the thing though, if you're somewhat handy or know a mechanic, you'll appreciate the performance benefits enough to make it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a one-stop solution for both plugs and wires. Skip this if you're not comfortable doing your own installations or prefer to buy separately. For the price, it's a good deal for a full upgrade. Product number 5, ACDelco Iridium Spark Plugs. Finally, we have the ACDelco Iridium Spark Plugs priced at $22.99. With a 4.5-star rating from 137 reviews, it stands out as a budget-friendly option. If you need reliable plugs that won't break the bank, this one's a great choice. These Iridium plugs are known for their durability and excellent ignition performance. The 0.04-inch gap size is perfect for a consistent spark, which helps in achieving better fuel efficiency and smoother engine operation. However, some users have mentioned that they can wear out quicker than premium options. Here's my take: if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for everyday driving, these plugs can still deliver solid performance without emptying your wallet. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want reliable performance. Skip this if you're looking for a long-term high-performance solution, as they might not last as long as pricier options. For the price, it's hard to beat. So there you have it. We've covered 5 fantastic spark plug options for your Chevy Tahoe. From the high-performance JDM-SPED wires to the budget-friendly ACDelco plugs, there's something here for everyone. Choosing the right spark plugs can make a difference in your vehicle's performance, so pick one that fits your needs best.